Who knew what the word Zionism means 2 years ago? Not so many people. If you told people around the world the word Zionism, few of them would know what it means. And yet, suddenly, since October 7th, so many people hear the word Zionism and Zionist. Why is it that suddenly, with the worst attack on the Jewish people since the Holocaust, everyone becomes aware of the term Zionist? And the answer is obvious to anyone who's been following current events. What happened is anti-Semites, people who hate the Jewish people and who hate Israel, decided it would be too barbaric of them to say what they really mean. And so instead of saying the word Jew, they say Zionist. Instead of referring to Judaism, they say Zionism. Sure, they'll find a bunch of loony people, exceptions that happen to be Jewish and anti-Zionist. They'll find that and they'll use that as ammo or a way to say, oh, look, we're not anti-Semitic, we only hate Zionists. But the fact is that the vast majority of Jews are Zionists. In fact, the majority of Jews live in Israel. And so in order to hide and gaslight and say, oh, we're not anti-Semites, they say Zionist. And that's how the word became so popular. You don't need one or two pieces of evidence that this is what they're doing. It's all over the place. They speak of the word Zionist when it's clearly nothing else than them meaning Jews. It's outright anti-Semitism. It's a way to whitewash anti-Semitism. And so my suggestion to you is never use the word Zionist. Never use the word Zionism unless you're speaking about the actual ideology, unless you actually read it, know what it's about, and then you can use it. If you truly know what the word Zionist is, if you're using it in a positive connotation, sure, use it. But anyone who's not using the word Zionist in a positive connotation is, as they say, sus, very sus. Why? Because they are using it to hide their anti-Semitism, to gaslight us Jews and say, oh, we don't actually mean every Jew, we just mean Zionist Jews. And here's my message to those who joined this scam. If you're Jewish and you join them, ask yourself, are you really okay with a movement that seeks the destruction of the homeland and nation state of the majority of Jews? Are you really okay with people who boycott Jewish businesses? Are you really okay with people whose motto is do not engage Zionists, the most racist and vile way of them trying to completely shut off and destroy any chance for dialogue? Is that something you're okay with? Ask yourself if that's something you're okay with. So, to the sane, non-hateful people of the world, remember, only use the term Zionist and Zionism if it's something kind, positive, or you're actually referring to the content of the matter and not just to anti-Semitic Hamas propaganda.